One of the biggest mistakes we made when trying to sell courses or memberships was to actually try and sell it on social media. And sometimes it feels like we're using social media as a brochure, but that's not the case. Social media is to be social. So how do we actually sell our stuff? It's because we were also ignoring one of the most powerful marketing tools that we could use to sell our stuff privately, which is the email list. And in this video, we're gonna share with you how we started without one, why we discovered that we needed one, and how to actually nurture it without spamming people that subscribe to it.
So we could not figure out, we could not understand how actually people lived off a YouTube channel or a social media channel, and why people weren't coming to us to say, I'm gonna give you millions to advertise this whatever.
I think we started like many, not really understanding what we were doing. But if so many YouTube channels were there, they were making money somehow. And we thought, we'll figure it out. Because we are slow, probably. It took more than a year, 1.5 years to realize, well, this is not gonna work. We're teaching our stuff online. You're teaching ballet to adults online. You're attracting lots of people. But how do we monetize this project? Because otherwise we should stop it and dedicate it to something else. This is why it's wrong to say follow your passion. No, learn how to monetize it too, otherwise your passion will fizzle out. So I turned to books, business books, and how these influencers were making money, and I kept reading and hearing about the one thing: you need to build the list, you need to build the list. Honestly, I thought there was list of what? Like list of what? I don't understand. Why do I need, if I build this list, what do I do with it? It was so much confusion to me. So I came to you, Alessia, I found the solution to our problem. We need to build a list.
This is the very first thing that we had on our website. Join our email list.
And it was a silent email list because we didn't do anything with it.
You turned around and you said, okay, there must be a different way to grow this list, and what do we do with it?
The 1.5 years of struggle on YouTube was important for us to realize that we didn't own our subscribers. YouTube owned our subscribers. And every time we put up a video, we would get a few thousands of views, but not exactly 10,000, like matching the number of subscribers, which means YouTube is going to promote a video to whatever YouTube thinks is best at the specific moment. And that makes sense. But what it comes down to is that if you have an announcement, it's not enough to just go on your favorite channel and post something there. You need to have a tool that allows you to contact the people that said, I want to hear more from you whenever you want, and has got to be sent to all of them, regardless of the algorithm. That's the point of an email list. If you have 200 people in your email list and send an email broadcast, all the 200 email inbox will be hit. If we got you excited about writing emails to your list right now and you want to try and start selling something to them, you don't have a sales page? Great. I've got a framework that you can download so that you can write it easily and by touching all of the emotional and logical components of a sales page. It's in the link in box below. Just grab it, it's yours. If you are in business, you need leads. And what is a lead? A lead is an interested person, interested in what you do, your services, your knowledge, your solutions, that said, I want to know more about you, know more about what you do. Maybe they didn't buy anything yet. It's just a lead. It's a person that it's interested, that it's hot, that you can contact. And that is your email list. The email list, if built well, it's a list of people that want to hear more about you. But what do we do with it? Why don't we ask people to give us their email in exchange of something specific? At the beginning, it was a workout plan. Being a very successful ballet/fitness YouTube channel, a workout plan would be a nice addition to the occasional content that we were publishing. And I still remember the first video. We posted it on January. We sent people to subscribe to receive the workout plan, and we gained more than 1,000 members in the email list with that one video. And the 1,000 members is almost the same amount that we managed to build for a year, entire year of just collecting random emails on our website with the subscribe to our email list button, which had no intent whatsoever.
So the whole point of a list is also to guide them and to give them the what comes next step.
Why should you believe us that building an email list and selling via email is working? Because we've made more than $800,000 worth of sales purely via email. That's why.
And organically.
So instead of keeping this secret for us, we just want to push you to think about that email is definitely not dead and is the best way we can get in contact with the people that said, yes, I want to know more from you, and sell them something when they're ready for it. No need to push and twist arms.
There is about 1 million ways to not spam your people. Number one, back in my days, and I still do it, I love writing. Yeah, so like literally grabbing a piece of paper and writing to my friend, writing to the people I care about. I think about writing now digitally a letter to whoever is on the other side and trying to make it as readable as possible and as flowy as possible for the person that receives it.
But for me, the most powerful reason why your email can become not spam is when you try and attach them to your lead magnet. When somebody subscribes to an email list, they don't really know what they can expect. And that is why they're always on the lookout for salesy email. And surely enough, they will find them at some point. But what happens if they signed up to receive emails about a specific solution that would fix some problems? For example, we put together a copywriting guide that it's not just to give out for free. We give this stuff to our coaching clients because that's our method, that's our frameworks. And we took one piece of documents that we give to all our clients and we put it for free on our website, which you can download if you follow the link below, by the way. But that's not enough because the guide itself is going to give you all of the pointers. But what I want to do every single day is sending you an email to talk about each specific section so that you can add some value to what you're doing and maybe following you through the way you're writing the sales page, right? I want to give you value. And if you jump on our email list, you'll get a ton of value for free. And you'll see that every time we send you an email, it's incredibly valuable. Hopefully we convinced you to start building your list if you haven't already. And if you need a more in-depth strategy on how to use email marketing, we explain one of our best strategies in this video right here. And it's not rocket science, you just can apply it to your business today. Just watch the video and follow us. Fizzle out.
Fizzle out. I like that.
Fizzle out.
We didn't know how to do it. And how to do it? What?
Very nice.